Bridget Bishop, you're now brought before authority to give account of what witchcrafts you are conversant in.
I take all these people to be witness that I am clear.
She pinched me!
Bishop, what say you? You stand here charged of sundry acts of witchcraft done by you or committed upon Mercy Lewis and Ann Putnam and others.
I am innocent. I know nothing of it. I have not done witchcraft.
Look upon this woman, Bridget Bishop, and see if this woman is that which has been hurting you, Mercy Lewis, Ann Putnam, and others to which she has caused hurt. What say you now to those to whom you have hurt, that you see them to their face?
I never did hurt them in my life. I have never seen these people before. I am as innocent as a child unborn.
Hath this woman hurt you?
She has caused my affliction. She tempted me to sin and signed the devil's book. Goody Bishop calls the devil her God.
What do you say to it?
I have never seen these persons before, nor have I never been in this place before.
My brother Jonathan whacked at Goody Bishop's spectral appearance as he fought to get away, and I saw that he had torn her coat in striking, and I heard it tear.
The sword that I struck at Bishop was not naked. It was in its scabbard, so that the rent may very probably be the very same that Mary did tell, that she had in her coat at my striking at her appearance.
Is not your coat cut?
No.
Tis there.
They say you bewitched your first husband to death.
If it please your worship, I know nothing of it.
Good Bishop! What contract have you made with the devil?
I have no contract with the devil. I have never seen him. Ann Putnam saith that she calls the devil her God.
What say you to all this you are charged with? Can you not find it in your heart to tell the truth?
I do tell the truth. I have never hurt these persons in my life. I have never saw these persons before.
Oh, good Bishop, did you not come to our house last night and say that your master made you tell that you were more than you were willing to tell?
Tell us the truth. How come these people to be so tormented and charge you with the doing?
I have not come here to say that I am a witch and take away my life.
Who is it that doeth it if you do not? They say you doeth it and appear to them and torment and force them to write in the book. What book is it that you force them to write in?
I know nothing of it. I am innocent.
Do you not see how they are tormented? You are acting witchcraft before us. Can you not find it within your heart to tell the truth?
I am not a witch. I know not what a witch is.
Have you not given consent that some evil spirit should do this in your likeness?
No, I am innocent. I know no man, woman, or child here.
How came you into my bedchamber one morning and asked if I had any curtains to sell? She's a murderer. She's a murderer.
Yes.
What do you say to these murders you are charged with?
I am innocent. I know nothing of it.
Done! The devil, get out of this place!
What do you say to these things here? These horrible acts of witchcraft?
I know nothing of it. I I do not know whether they be witches or no.
Have you not heard that some have confessed?
No, I did not.
No! How dare this? How could this happen? They're being controlled!
Bridget Bishop told me she had been accounted a witch these 10 years. And she was no witch, and the devil cannot harm her.
I am no witch.
Have you not to do with familiar spirits?
I have no familiarity with the devil.
How is it then that your appearance doth hurt these?
I am innocent.
Why do you act witchcraft with the motion of your body and afflict those that you influence there?
I know nothing. I am innocent to a witch. I know not what a witch is.
How can you know you are no witch, and yet not know what a witch is?
If I was any such person, you should know it.
You may threaten, but you can do no more than is permitted.
I am innocent to a witch.
It may be that you do not know that any who have confessed this day, who have been examined before you, that they are witches.
I know nothing of it.
I had told her.
Why, look you are now caught in a flat lie.
I did not hear them.
Indictment of Bridget Bishop for afflicting Mercy Lewis. The juror for our sovereign Lord and Lady the King and Queen presents that Bridget Bishop Oliver, the wife of Edward Bishop of Salem in the county of Essex, Sawyer, the 19th day of April, in the 4th year of the reign of our sovereign Lord and Lady William and Mary, by the grace of God of England, Scotland, France, and Ireland, King and Queen, defenders of the faith, and divers others days and times as well before and after. Certain detestable arts called witchcrafts, sorceries, wickedly and feloniously hath used, practiced, and exercised at and within the township of Salem in the county of Essex aforesaid, in, upon, and at one Mercy Lewis, of Salem village in the county of aforesaid single woman, by which said wicked arts they said Mercy Lewis. That said 19th day of April, in the 4th year aboves, and divers others days and times as well before as after, was and is hurt, tortured, afflicted, pined, consumed, wasted, and tormented against the peace of our sovereign said Lord and Lady the King and Queen, and against the former of the statute in that case made and provided witnesses. Mercy Lewis, Nathaniel Ingersoll, Mr. Samuel Paris, Thomas Putnam Jr., Mary Walcott, Ann Putnam Jr., Elizabeth Hubbard, and Abigail Williams.